Hello guys, what's up? For today's video, I will be showing you how to bypass the Meta verification waitlist. This is good if you've been wanting to have a blue badge on Meta or on your Instagram, but you want to bypass or override the waitlist because sometimes it gets too long for the queue to get to you to get your badge going. So this will be an easy one. But very first thing is you have to have a VPN based on Australia, USA, or New Zealand because those are the countries that were prioritized from being verified. So first thing you want to do, of course, is go to the link that I provided below this video. This is the link, as you can see on my URL. And then what you want to do is down below, it'll ask. There will be a prompt that asks, "Was this helpful?" Click no, and then click the solution doesn't work. And then here there's a message prompt that you can use. There's a message that I have pasted down below this video. What you want to do is copy paste that, and then don't forget to put your username here and the country where you're using the VPN, and then just paste it here and then click submit, and then that's it. A few things though, you can kindly read the few things reminders for doing this technique, you have to wait for 1 to 3 days, sometimes more, and you have to be patient when doing this since Meta will take some time for it to be verified. And you have to do it, by the way, during the working or business hours of USA or Australia, or depending on the VPN country that you're using, since they will be processing it depending on their time schedule. So yeah, just have to wait, and that's it. Thank you for watching.